Made it to Helsinki. Just had a 2.5 bus ride, boat ride at 3 AM, 5 AM. I'm so out of it. I had a little nap on the on the boat. I set up like three chairs and just laid on them. I was getting some proper dodgy looks. But we're at our first destination after about 30 hours of travelling to get here. And I could have just took a flight. It takes about 2 hours, but do it the Jamie way, I guess. I'm gonna try find my hostel, walk to my hostel and see if they let me in early, and then try and sleep some more. But if not, I need to have a shower, brush my teeth, get some food, and just kind of freshen up a little bit. But this place is beautiful already. Like the sunset, the sky is freezing, but it's so nice. Walking around Helsinki, I don't know where I'm going, to be honest. I like parks at the minute, and this is quite a nice park. It's very Russian so far, but everyone's dressed better and it's cleaner. There's loads of tourists there, so I'm just going to sit down, have a banana and have a sandwich and some water. I don't know how I came across this, it just kind of happened. I was just walking through a park as I do, and then bang, cathedral. I think I'm in the city centre now. Beautiful weather. Oh, I got double chinned. I'm just walking. This place is just tranquil and quiet and nice. There's so many parks and rivers and sea and stuff, and it's just nice. My kind of place. But it's still only like 11 AM. I've not even actually got into my hostel yet. I'm just kind of walking around waiting to check in so I can get some food and have a nap. I'm in the hostel. I freshened up, brushed my teeth, washed my hair. I feel fresh and clean. It's been 2 days without a shower and I feel disgusting. So I'm gonna go out and explore. Maybe get a pint, but it's Helsinki, so it's like 10 euros for a pint. I don't want to spend that much. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go and explore, see what's going on. Probably get some food, sit in a park. Got my drone charging. It's illegal in Helsinki, but I might try and get away with it. If so, you'll see some cool drone shots. If not, you're not. Just come to like the most beautiful forest in the world on the way to the city, which is in the distance, and my drone's decided to just not want to play. It's not connecting to the remote control or anything, so I managed to get a few shots and almost crashed it a few times because I had to use my phone and I've never flew just with my phone before. But it's so beautiful. Like over there it's got like boats and docks and stuff. Over there is like houses and stuff, and we're just in a big forest as well, so I'm a bit gutted. Really, I'm just trying to get that fixed ASAP. Who needs a drone when you can live this high up? just randomly come across this viewpoint in this woods. I'm picking up sticks to try and clear out my iPhone dock because it's got dust in it, and that's what's stopping my drone from working. You probably can't hear me, it's too windy, and it's freezing. I've just been trying to fix everything, and I know my hands are dead now, but this viewpoint is just so nice. It's so windy, look at my hair. Oh, I'm done now. It's absolutely freezing. I never wear hats or hoodies and I'm wearing both today. It's cold. So I'm gonna go back, recharge, get a coffee, and then probably go for a pint. Food done, beer done, time to watch the football. Good night.